I go in with the top tier. It allows me to trade on 75 different currencies. Most of the time, I'll go through the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap and I'll look for trends and patterns and announcements and big events that are coming up in relation to those cryptocurrencies. So for example, if I look at wanting to have, I don't know, like if I wanted to pair Ripple and Binance for Bitcoin to Ripple, I would look at the things that Ripple has just announced, like they just got listed on Coinbase. And they, just moved like 25 million Ripple from one wallet, from their main wallet to another wallet. Those are kind of things I would want to look at and see before I make those decisions to trade on that pair, because there's potentially profit there. My biggest success when I first got started in Cryptohopper was Verge. Verge was, at the time, was selling announcements saying we're gonna have announcements and we're gonna have announcements, and the price kept going up. So my Cryptohopper bot kept going, all right, buy here, sold here, dropped back down, we bought again, sold here. I mean, I made probably about 65% of my initial earnings with trading Verge alone with Cryptohopper. And that was because I bought the news and sold the profits. And then Verge came out with its big news. I sold off the rest that Cryptohopper had, and we went from there. So